Hello traders, it's August 25th. I want to show you how the Alcoa trade has moved over the last few days and show a trade in Affirm. So let's jump into the platform. Alright, here's Alcoa. If we look at the price, it's gone down today. It's at 28.22. When we put the trade on, it was around 28.50, 28.80. The price has come down. The IV rank has come down. When we put the trade on, it was around 25. Now it's 6.9. Let's open the option chain and see what the price of the option is. So the 22.5 put that we sold for 47 cents is now trading for 37 cents. Even though the price has gone down, we've made money on this trade because the rank has gone from 25 to 6.9. So we didn't even have to be directionally right with price. So this trade's still working fine. We're going to leave it for now. With the rank getting so low, we might look to close it on Monday. Now let's go to Affirm, AFRM. They had earnings today. I had an earnings trade on yesterday. It was just a really small trade. It was a diagonal. I sold the 10 put and bought the 7.5. So let's look at the chart. It was trading around 14 yesterday. So I was $4 away at my short strike. I sold it for 20 cents, which was a lot. I bought it back this morning for 2 cents. So I made like 20 bucks on the trade. Only had to put up like $200. Great trade. But I noticed the rank in Affirm went negative today, which doesn't happen very often. So let's look at the volatility rank in a chart form for Affirm. So we'll put in AFRM.IVR. And in the last couple days, it's gone from 27 to negative. So the volatility is completely collapsed in here. This is the lowest it's been in a year. So if I'm betting on volatility increasing in the next week or so, I would want to put on some type of calendar trade, and that's exactly what I did. So if we go to the trade tab, we'll have to put the Affirm symbol back in, AFRM. I went 21 days and sold around the expected move, which is this brown bar right here. I sold the 20 call and the 15 put for about 85-cent credit. To do that by itself, you'd have to put up $1,000. And this would swing very quickly based on volatility. Then I went out to 56 days and I bought a call and a put at the same exact strikes. I paid $133 for it. It's got a small positive delta, a small positive theta, which means we make money if the stock goes up a little bit, and we also just make money over time if the price just stayed right here. So let's look at the Analyze tab, the curve trade mode. Obviously, if there was a big move today in either direction, we would lose a lot of the money that we put up. But now let's analyze it over time here. We'll probably look to hold this trade for about a week or so. So you can see here after a few days, up at the 20 strike, we make like 40 bucks. If it fell to 15, that would be close to a break even. If it stayed right here, we'd make $20 to $25. If it went all the way up to 25, we'd be down 60 bucks. And if it crashed down to 12 and a half, we could lose $80. So that's realistically, that most of the time, that's what we're risking. $80 to make $40 or so. Risking $60 on the top side to potentially make $20. But the real trick to this trade is the volatility. So with volatility at the lowest point, there's the most risk for it to expand. So if volatility expanded now, we could show that by increasing all these levels here. So we're going to go up 5 points on each option. Now if volatility increased 5 points for each option, then if the stock actually went to 15, we'd make $11. If it stayed here in the same place, we'd make $40. And if it rose to 20, we'd make almost $60. Now if it went all the way up to 25, we'd lose about 50 bucks. And if it went all the way down to 12.5, we would lose about $80, maybe a little bit less. But we can make a lot more money if volatility increases and the price stays in the range. So that's why we calendarize these trades instead of just selling regular strangles or selling naked options. That's the update on the Alcoa trade and the thought process behind the double diagonal or double calendar in Affirm after earnings. Thanks. If you like this and you learned something, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.